Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Learning is Fun with me. Today I am going to share my kids learning folder with you, which I have created for my preschool kids. The same folder I have used for my son also. I hope you will like it. So let's get started. So this is the first page where all the letters are there. The child will read and recognize all the letters like A, B, Ba, C, Ka, D, Da. So like this he will read all the letters, or teacher can ask related pictures or objects to the letter like A, aeroplane, A, ant, B, Ba, ball, C, Ka, cat. So like this first page is of reading. Now this is the next page. My name is. For example, this is the name Cam. So child will put letter of his name in proper sequence like K, the next letter A, the next letter M. So K-A-M, Cam. So the next sheet is my friend's name is. So for example, here Manik. So child will put all the letters in a proper sequence like Manik. So first letter M, then A, then N, I, K, M-A-N-I-K, Manik. So this is the third sheet. So the next sheet is related to shapes. Different shapes are there. Child will recognize like circle, triangle, rectangle, square, semicircle, rectangle. So child will identify and put the same shape on it. Like this is rectangle, then this is a circle, then this is a semicircle. So triangle. So like this he will match the same shapes. So after this, next sheet is related to only circle shape. Child will recognize the circle shape objects. Then like this is a circle shape object, so he will put. Then this wheel is there of circle shape, so like this. So this is circle, no, this is not a circle. Then so child will recognize and put all circle shape objects. Then next sheet is of square shape. Then this gift is of square shape. This picture, then TV. This is of square shape, no. This window. So this is the square shape sheet. The next is related to rectangle. All rectangle shape objects are there like flag, book, window or letter. So child will recognize rectangle shape objects. So this sheet is related to rectangle shape objects. Next is pattern of shapes like square, then circle, square. So next will be circle. Rectangle, oval, rectangle, oval. heart, triangle, heart. So triangle. Now next is related to. So next sheet is related to numbers. Numbers are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Child is going to child first recognize the numbers. Then according to the numbers, he will put these strips. Like 3 dots are there 1, 2, 3. So he will put this strip in number 3. Then 2 dots are there, so number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will go in 4. Then next is of child will count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number 5. Then 1 is, where is 1? Where is 1? This is. So this is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is complete. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Now the next sheet is of numbers. A child will recognize the number, and you can give him few stars or happy faces or bindis. So according to the number, he can put the things like for number 1, he can put happy face. 1 happy face. 2 flowers. 2 flowers. Or 3 bindis. 1, 2, 3. So like this, he can recognize the number. According to the number, he'll put objects. So this is the sheet related to the numbers. That's all for today. I am preparing more sheets for this folder. Definitely I will share those sheets in the next video with you. And in the next video, I will share my EVS folder also. So I hope you all enjoyed and have got ideas for your little ones. You can also create your own activities, or you can download from the net. So bye bye lovely kids and dear parents. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care.